to do my first FaceTime facial. All set up, but this is going to be the first time that I have ever done a facial through FaceTime. So this is going to be really nice, and y'all know I'm going to share it with you guys. There we go.
Okay, so I want you to grab your facial and pour out the samples, and I'm going to tell you which one to do first. You're going to do your cleansing step first, so read those samples out to me, and I'll tell you which one to grab.
Okay, I have the Dream Clean, the Mask of Zen,
Yes, ma'am.
and Cool Balm.
Perfect.
Oh.
So I want you to grab Dream Clean.
Got it?
Yes. Now tear that open and squirt it in your fingertips for me, and then run some water over the cleanser, and you're going to make it nice and bubbly in your hands.
Does it matter if it's warm or cool?
Lukewarm is good, but not too hot, not too cold. And I would be doing this with you, but I've had back-to-back facials, so I'm already...
You're fine. Nice and bubbly.
I'm going to add a little more water to do that, but I want it nice and bubbly in your hands.
I think I lost some.
All right, looking good. Yes. Now I want you to just massage all over your face and neck. And enjoy the aromatherapy. It has a soap berry in it.
Oh, it smells so good.
Isn't it yummy? That soap berry is great for anti-aging. It helps with hyperpigmentation and brightens the skin while it cleanses. Now, if you are more of like a dry skin type, then I would get you in our Quench Cleanse system. It's a little more hydrating in the cleansing. The Dream Clean is great for normal combination skin. Cleanse is good for good normal to dry. Nothing's gonna hurt you today. I just want to go ahead and share. If you feel like you're more dry, then I would definitely recommend a different one. But both are great. All right, grab the washcloth, and I want you to run lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold, and then you just lay it on the top of your face. You only have to get it nice and wet. Yes, and then just enjoy that, and then gently rinse the cleanser, very, very gently. So the good thing about or one of the many good things, is that our cleanser works so well. You don't have to pull and tug with the washcloth, because the cleanser just melts the dirt and makeup off so easily.
And you know what I did? As soon as when you called me, I had walked into the restroom to wash my face. So I said, let me stop so we can see the difference.
Good.
Oh, yes, I already see all that greasy dirt.
And remember, you might not remember when we were first met. So this product is safe and healthy. There's no chemicals in this product. It's all plant-based. And so the ingredients that you smell, that is the actual natural ingredient that you smell. There's no fragrances in our product. You're actually smelling a plant-based ingredient.
Wow, and it smells that good?
Yeah.
Wow, that is.
So now we're going to move into the mask step. Now, do you feel like your baseline oily, dry, in between?
I would say in between, but more oily than dry.
Okay, so this Mask of Zen is a great mask treatment for oily skin. So in the interest of time right now, what we'll do is just put it on your T-zone, just like right around your nose area. Really concentrate on the on those congested areas that really gather up more oils. Down the nose, in the corners of the nose, and maybe on the chin. And this is a clay-based treatment that has tea tree oil in it. So the tea tree actually pulls out and detoxifies the skin. So it helps to clean out your pores, and then it also absorbs those unnecessary oils for the skin, so that it helps keep your skin balanced.
So we're just going to do this area for now?
I would just stay right around the nose area, and right in the corners of the nose where it tends to gather oils, and then maybe in the chin area where it gathers oils. So this has gentle exfoliating in it as well, and exfoliating is key when it comes to keeping your pores clean, because the exfoliating step helps to get rid of that dead, dry skin that traps bacteria in. Perfect. So you can leave this mask on for, 5 minutes to 20 minutes. And if you or anyone you know has like a blemish or just like one little stubborn zit, it's a great spot treatment. Actually, just use the Mask of Zen just on a blemish. And then if you wanted to sleep in it, when you wake up the next day, the inflammation redness and infection is much more mild. It just reduces that inflammation and infection from a blemish really quickly. It's awesome. So right now what I want you to do is get your fingers wet, and I want you to massage that mask in and around. And we're ultimately activating the ingredients and then also helping gently rinse off the mask. So just gently massage, and you're helping the mask work its magic, and then ultimately we're going to just rinse it away. Does that feel so good?
It does.
Congested areas.
What I really love about your products is not very gritty. That's what I don't like about most products, is the grit.
Gentle and sensitive.
Yes, a lot of people love that grit. I don't like the grit.
No. Did you know that in some beauty products, that grit, that scratchy stuff is actually plastic?
Really?
Not in ours, but in some beauty products, yes. It's tiny little plastic pieces. But ours is all pink-based. Now, like I said, you can wear that mask from anywhere to 5, 15, 20, 30 minutes. Of course, if you're doing a spot treatment, you can sleep in it on a blemish. And it gets drier as the longer you leave it on. And you can like see the oils just evaporate almost from your face. You really don't need, I bet, my guess is your skin's not that super oily that needs that level of like long time wear. But women who have really oily skin, when they do that mask treatment for a good 20-30 minutes, it just balances out the skin so well because it just absorbs all those awful oils. All right, do you feel nice and clean?
I do.
So your last step is Cool Balm, your moisturizer. Yes, ma'am.
Cool Balm.
And this has medical grade aloe in it. Super soothing and calming to the skin. It's also very light, so it's great for oily skin. So I want you to just, again, get that in your fingertips. When you're working with a natural product, it's always good to warm it and activate it in your fingers. And then I want you to just press it all over. Is it coming out?
It's coming out.
Isn't that little package cute?
It is. I'm just trying to get it all out. Okay, then I'm just going to massage my fingers.
Yeah, just get it nice and warm and activated in your fingers, and then just press it all over that beautiful face of yours.
Okay. It feels good.
Oh, yay!
And see, if I get this, my husband loves anything with aloe. I have to buy him his own.
And that's the beauty of our line, is that it's for all people. It's not just for females. Our skincare line is great for men and women.
Oh, I like this.
It likes you. I can see your skin look nice and bright.
That's why I'm so glad I didn't wash my face before.
Yes. I love it. With what I'm going to recommend for your skin type is actually, now the Mask of Zen is awesome, but for your skin type, since you don't have breakouts, you just have that oily skin that I'm confident the Dream Clean and the Cool Balm is going to balance. So I'm going to actually recommend the Skin Polish Mask for you, because that is awesome for more mature skin like you and me. You know, we also are worried about it.
I love that word, mature. I love it.
So the Skin Polish is super hydrating and nourishing, so it helps to prevent the signs of aging and also exfoliate. So although you didn't experience the Skin Polish today, that's the mask treatment that I would recommend substituting for the Mask of Zen, changing that one out. And now if you love the Mask of Zen and you feel like you do have breakouts, then that might be an add-on later down the road.
Okay.
But for starting out, I'm going to recommend Dream Clean Skin Polish, which you didn't do today, but it's the bomb, best treatment ever, and Cool Balm, which you did do. Set up your free account. You're going to have an affiliate link.
Okay.
A free affiliate link. So anyone who watches your vlog and wants what you just did, you get money in your LimeLife account.
Okay.
Isn't that cool?
Oh, yes.
So if your daughters decide to shop, you're the first one with an affiliate link.
Yes.
So you get to share with them.
Yes. Now, what about, you say for my husband, he's going to want this because it has aloe.
Is he dry or oily?
Oily. He's oily.
Okay, so with and you're definitely more oily than dry, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what I would do is put a Sharpie on yours.
Okay.
Like write your name on yours, write his name on his.
Well, we have separate bathrooms, so we're good.
But also, 2 systems, you're going to get free shipping, and you're going to get a gift with purchase. You're going to get one of my favorite glow products. Yes, this is so great. And this glow product is like a tinted moisturizer. It's a coconut oil illuminator. It's a hydrator with a little bit of color. So it's not like wearing makeup, but it does give your skin a beautiful glow. We call it the J-Lo glow. So that is a $32 item that you get for free. You get me with your purchase, so I'll make sure you have all the customer service you need. You know when I see your order process. New clients, I always like to make sure that you're comfortable with how everything processes, and so I'll let you know as soon as I see your order come through, so that it's all good and then it's getting prepared for delivery and all of that. So I will send you my link, and then you let me know back when you set up your free account, okay?
Thank you.
You're so welcome. Any other thoughts?
No, you answered everything. Yes, I will recommend you. I will.
Oh. When they shop with your affiliate link, I become their beauty guide service from me. So that's a big one big happy family.
Yay!
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Look for my text, okay?
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You want help, Grandma? Lincoln, it's getting ready to rain, Lincoln.
Huh?
It's getting ready to rain.
I know.
We're going to get ready to plant the flowers. Come on, help Grandma. You don't want to help Grandma? I'm going to fill these up high enough where I want them to sit up high. Woo, look at the wind blowing. It's going to rain fast. Oh, that's going to be pretty, Lincoln. Look. Look, we're going to put a little water in here so it'll be a little moisture already in here. We don't want it to be dry. Because if it's dry, it won't live, right? And then you always link a look. Uh-oh, let me see. Just take it out. See, after you squeeze it, it comes right out. And you want to keep it in that natural soil. I'm going to put some others. Oh, that's going to be pretty, Lincoln. Really a lot of conditioner. I know it looked like it was a lot, but the bottle was full, and y'all see it's just from here to there now. So that's not that much. Just like a little, not even a pinky finger size worth of conditioner. Because it's color, I would like to make sure my hair is not going to break. You want to condition it very well.